Making this tofu starts with a very interesting procedure. It's a small and simple thing to do, but it makes the world of difference. And so literally all you do is when you purchase your package of tofu, bring it home, put it in the freezer, let it freeze completely, take it out and let it thaw completely. And then repeat that process again, and then press the tofu and remove all of the liquid. When that liquid expands inside of the tofu, when it ices up and freezes, the crystals are going to expand, and it's going to create almost little air pockets inside of the tofu to make it a little bit more chicken-like and make it also so it can infuse with the flavors a little bit better. When it comes to recipes using Worcestershire sauce, I like to substitute that out and add in some Henderson's relish. I really like that flavor. To me, it just adds a little bit different kick and flavor that I personally enjoy. Now also, you can notice that I use some apple cider vinegar. Through my research of making all of these vegan chickens, I've found that if you add a little bit of apple cider vinegar, it helps remove some of that tofu flavor from the actual block of tofu. So you're getting more of the flavor that you're looking for and less tofu notes. By putting the tofu in the air fryer, that just helps dry up the tofu a little bit more and remove any of that extra liquid that we don't want in there. And it also makes it a little bit tougher. This will make it have a better quality of texture when it's finished. Because of everything that we've done so far with preparing and cooking the tofu before we marinate and season it, the seasoning process and marinating process is going to be so much better because there's going to be no liquid already inside of the tofu, and the tofu is going to act like a sponge, and it's going to soak up as much of those flavors as it possibly can, and that is the secret behind this recipe. So you see me create these other vegan chicken options from these creators found online through their websites or social media, through TikTok, through YouTube, and in each one of those recipes there was just something that was missing, something that wasn't quite right. Now, to me, I like tofu, and so that's why I chose to make this tofu chicken, because I wanted to give you all a different vegan chicken recipe that I personally approve, that I made and modified myself. It's my own premium original recipe. This chicken works, it tastes great, it has great texture, the flavor is good, and if you want a quick tofu option, then this just might be the option for you. I spent a lot of time and I spent a lot of resources in making this recipe, so that way you can trust the recipe that I'm putting out there, because I've already made all of those vegan chicken recipes. You're more than welcome to try them all out. I'm telling you right now, if you want to get tofu chicken, this would be the recipe for you.